Hi, this is Pritham Reddy. I'm here to explain about the Interactive Voice Response IVR. Interactive Voice Response is a technology that allows to a computer to interact with humans through the use of voice and DTMF keypad inputs. In telecommunications, IVR allows customers to interact with the company's database via telephone keypad or by speech recognition, after which they can service their own inquiries by following the IVR dialog. IVR systems can be the pre-recorded or dynamically generated audio to further direct users on how to proceed. IVR applications IVR applications can be used to control almost any function where the interface can be broken down into a series of simple interactions. IVR systems deployed in the network are sized to handle large call volumes. IVR technology is also being introduced into the automobile systems for hands-free operation. Current deployment in automobiles revolves around the satellite navigation, audio, and mobile phone systems. There are typical uses of IVRs. IVR systems are typically used for service high call volumes, reduced cost, and improve the customer experience. Examples of typical IVR applications are telebanking, televoting, and credit card services. Compare are also interactive voice response IVR services to extend their business hours to 24/7 operation, so they can available at any time. Call centers use IVR systems to identify and segment callers. The ability to identify customers allows services to be tailored according to the customer profile. The caller can give the option to wait in the queues, choose an automated service, or request a callback or a suitable time and telephone number. The system may obtain caller line identification like CLI data from the network to help identify or authenticate the caller. This is currently available for about 80% inbound calls. Additional caller authentication data could include the account number, personal information, password, and biometrics such as voice print. When the interactive voice response IVR system answers multiple phone numbers and used as DNIS, ensures that the correct application and language is executed. A single large interactive voice response system can handle calls for thousands of applications, each with its own phone number and own script. I would conclude that it has common industries that have recently entered the telecommunication industry to refer an automated attendance as an interactive voice response IVR. The terms of interactive voice response, however, to restrict and mean different things to traditional telecommunication professionals, whereas emerging telephony and VoIP professionals often use the term IVR as attached to the signally and kind of telephony menu. Even a basic automotive attendant, the term response unit VRU is sometimes used as well. Thank you.